here at Gion restaurant at Sea Princess to try their tea, coffee and some amazing food. Sea Princess is a very elegant property. Anyone who's looking for a 5-star hotel can come here, stay, enjoy their stay with a lovely weather and an amazing view which we are going to show you right away. Minnie, let us order our tea and coffee. Hi, can I order? Hi, can you get us one Early Grey Masala Chai and one Americano? Yes, thank you.
Coco, this cafe is well spaced out and the ambience is quite warm. I think we're going to have a great time here with your tea and coffee.
Definitely, I'm totally enjoying before my tea as well. You know, they have so much to eat on the menu, different choices, different cuisines. They have a lot on the plate for us today.
Yes, I can see they have many Indian and global dishes.
It's a perfect for a staycation as well. I think anyone who travels from abroad or India, anywhere, it's a perfect place to come and stay, enjoy your meals and enjoy your stay.
Yes.
This masala chai is perfect. Exactly the way I like. It has a proper content of ginger, elaichi in it. I've added a little bit of sugar just to make it more tastier and I'm totally enjoying my masala chai. Masala chai and this view, what else could I have asked for? I love coming to these kind of places, come here, work alone on my laptop, make my work calls, chit chat with my friends and enjoy a cup of tea. You're always going to find Coco here at Sea Princess now on. Beach Club restaurant is amazing. It's a perfect place whether it's a family get together or you're here with friends or colleagues. You can come here, enjoy your tea, coffee, meals at any hour, enjoy this view, conduct your meetings, have a chit chat with your family and friends and enjoy the day.
Yes, it's a great view for some high tea parties, cocktail parties and all kind of celebrations as well. So today we are with Neha Gundecha, the pioneer behind this property. Hi Neha.
Hello. Hello everybody.
It's such a pleasure to be with you today at this amazing sea-facing property. No wonder it's the Princess of the Sea. So the hotel is Sea Princess.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us and I'm so glad to have met with you all. I've met Risha back in the day and have done loads of events with her and I'm just so obliged that you're here and I'm so grateful to you.
Thank you Neha for joining us today.
Of course.
So Neha, tell us what attracted you to the hospitality industry?
So this property belonged to my grandfather and then my Bade Chacha was very much involved and then over the generation this has been passed to us and yes, and the fact that you know we are the next generation in line, we've taken a few steps to kind of make it more today and whatever little bit that we could do to make changes in an old structure, and we're very proud of the fact that we have revamped Sea Princess in a lot of ways positively.
That is so nice to hear. So Neha, are you a tea lover or a coffee addict?
I would like to say I'm a full chai girl.
And do you prefer having your tea at home or having it at your restaurants?
Okay, so Sea Princess is known for its tea. We do make a really good home concoction with the ginger, elaichi and name it, and it's full desi and I love that. So I actually look forward to a second cup at the hotel in the mornings when I come in, and I do have one in the morning before I come in. So you could say I'm a full chai girl and I love Sea Princess ka chai, but ghar ka bhi acha hi hota hai. But it's always a hit and miss, but Sea Princess is consistent. That's the difference.
So what is the secret ingredient that you put in your chai at home?
At home, though, I think it's the way it's brewed, and my mother gives me this very desi chai patti that she brings, and she doesn't give me the name. And it's not your tea, it's not your regular chai patti that you get. It's not your Tatas and your society and all of that. It's different.
Since Neha is a tea lover, I'm going to be asking her some fun questions on tea. How about that, Neha? Are you ready for it?
I think so. I hope so.
Okay. So tea leaves that are prepared by steaming and heating are white tea leaves, herbal tea leaves or green tea leaves?
I think green tea leaves.
Getting it all right. Okay. So herbal tea is most appropriately called a hot mulled drink, an infusion, or it's just a herbal beverage?
It's an infusion, right? All the things coming together. I would say it's an
Yes.
infusion.
So my goodness, you're not getting any answers wrong, Neha. You've done your
Simple-
homework right.
Simple questions.
Okay, so high tea is called because it is a high eyebrow affair. It is served along as a supper at a high table, or is it served at high temperatures?
Good question. I would say it was decided all way back, so it would be on a high table.
Yes. My love for coffee has provoked the influencer in me to start this vlog, Coco and Mini. Little did I know that one day I would be talking about the best beverage that I love. Earlier it used to just be about coffee at home, but today it's about coffee at restaurants. Generally we used to go to restaurants to have their food, but today it's only about the tea and coffee. I'm having the Americano. It's a double shot espresso with 3/4 of water in it, and I've added some brown sugar. Perfectly made the way I always like it. With an amazing view and my coffee at hand, what else could we ask for today? On that note, signing off for now, Coco and Mini.